For as long as we've built machines, we've chased progress. But the smarter they got, the harder they became to understand. Every system, from a factory robot to a Tesla, runs on 4 invisible layers: electronic, electrical, mechanical, and software. When one fails, everything stops. Time, money, and trust gone in minutes. What used to take engineers hours now takes one question. Meet Hexar AI, the world's first intelligent system that actually understands how machines work. It scans the entire internet, every spec sheet, every log, and every chat your team ever had to find exactly what's wrong. Ask it once. Hexar builds the entire diagnostic tree, connecting electrical faults, mechanical components, embedded code, and software configurations. Like an engineer who's seen everything before. Every engineer on your team can see the same project in real time. No more outdated PDFs, no more manual documentation. Just copy your chat into Hexar, and it updates the system automatically. From autonomous cars to factory robots, from embedded systems to aerospace tech, Hexar knows how your machines think. So instead of asking 100 questions, you ask one, and Hexar does the rest. Hexar AI, the intelligence behind every machine.